I'm Eugine.
And we are the Group 1!
In this video, we are going to build the LED blinker circuit, and these are the components needed.
First, we need 2 pieces of PN2222 transistor.
And second, we need 2 pieces of 10 UF capacitor. 2 pieces of 100K resistor.
Next is 2 pieces of 1K resistor for the LED. And next is 2 LEDs of any preferred colors you like.
Next, 5 pieces of preferred wire link. And next, 1 jumper wire.
Breadboard,
Power supply module.
and power supply adapter 5 voltage.
And these are all the components needed to build the LED blinker circuit. So let's start with the breadboard. And the first step is insert the positive pin of the 10 UF capacitor in row B, column 25, and the negative pin of the capacitor in row B, column 15.
Next, insert the second 10 UF capacitor positive pin in row D, column 23, and the negative pin of the capacitor in row D, column A17. Next, insert the 100K resistor in the positive power rail and connect it to the positive side of both 10 UF capacitors.
Insert the first PN2222 transistor in the other terminal strips. So the first pin of the PN222 transistors is called the emitter, and the second pin is called the base, and the third pin is called the collector. So the first pin in the row G, column 15, second pin in row G, column 17, and third pin in row G, column 19. So row G 15.
Still in the other terminal strip where the first PN2222 transistor is connected, insert the first pin in row G, column 23, and the second pin is row G, column 25, and third pin is in row G, column 27. Use 4 short wire links to link the capacitors with the other end of the terminal that holds the PN222 transistor. Connect both the third pin of the collector pin of the PN2222 using a wire link. Connect the cathode negative pin of the lead in the first pin emitter of the PN2222 resistor in row J, column 15, and the anode positive pin of the lead in row J, column 10, and then connect the 1K resistor from the positive power rail to the anode of the lead. Connect the cathode negative pin of the lead in the first pin emitter of the PN2222 resistor in row J, column 23, and the anode positive pin of the lead in row J, column 29, and connect the 1K resistor from the positive power rail to the anode of the lead. Use the jumper wire to connect the third pin of the second PN2222 resistor in row F, column 27, and the other end of the jumper wire to the negative power rail.
Now let's insert our power supply module. And now let's insert our power adapter. And let's test if the circuit works. The circuit acts like a switch for both of the LED. When we identified how the pinout of both of the transistors and the voltage requirements of the LED using a 1K transistor. Once we had the information and did the earlier steps in building the circuit, the two capacitors stored an electrical charge, which can be used to provide power to the transistors and other electric components in case the use of a 10 UF capacitor. The PN2222 transistors is used to control the LED in the circuit and acted as a switch allowing the current to flow through the LED when each of the transistors is powered and turning on and off at regular intervals, which made the LED to blink.
And that's how to build the LED blinker circuit. Thank you.